Hello, let's look at how to export questionnaire and respondents' answers to PDF or Word, and how to change the PDF and Word export settings. We will show how to export a questionnaire, how to export printouts of respondents' answers, how to enable the respondents to export their answers themselves, and how to adjust the PDF and Word export settings. To export a questionnaire to PDF or Word, we go to the Edit Questionnaire tab. Hover the mouse over the icon Export to at the top right and select a desired format. The printouts of answers for an individual respondent can be exported in the tab Data Browse. Selecting Show Columns and Export Survey display icons for PDF and Word export next to individual respondent. The printout of all respondents' answers can be found in the Analyze Reports tab. Here we don't export the database but the entire questionnaire for each respondent with the limit set to 300 units. We can enable the respondents to export their answers themselves after they complete the survey. In the tab Edit Questionnaire, we move to the Thank You page question at the end of the survey and select Show Link to PDF. PDF and Word export settings can be adjusted in the tab Edit Settings PDF/RTF Export. For survey questionnaire exports, we can set whether the question numbering conditions and the introduction are displayed. When exporting respondents' answers, we can set a short or an extended answer type display. Extended display means the answers will be displayed in a form of the questionnaire. A short version means the questions and answers will be displayed in an abbreviated form. We can set the display of question numbering, record number, and conditions. We can choose the display where each respondent's answer starts on a new page, or a display without questions and sub-questions with no answers. This was a display of exporting questionnaire and data in one-click survey to PDF and Word.